Hi Year 10, it's Mrs. Brooks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to write your first paragraph for your speech. So this will work for any of the topics listed here: racism, sexism, ageism or ableism. Let's have a look at what we're going to do in this short lesson. We're going to read a waggle, we're going to plan out some ideas for your paragraph, and you're going to use sentence stems to write your own. So let's think about what paragraph 1 is. It comes straight after your introduction and it's to outline your thoughts. So your general reasons for choosing this topic. You need to say here why you feel so strongly about this form of discrimination. You might want to include, and I hope you will, some research on how many people are affected, how you felt when you watched the YouTube clips that I've given you on each topic, and let's have a look and see if the waggle does those things. So let's have a read through. Discrimination. What does this word evoke in your mind? Perhaps you associate it with racism, sexism or homophobia. Wonder how many of you immediately thought of the many thousands of disabled people that share your society. Disability seems to be an ignored, unacknowledged and underestimated form of discrimination. Disabled people feel the able-bodied community is oblivious to them, that they are invisible. I think this is so incredibly wrong, and we must stop this discrimination now. Disabled people living in the UK are 3 times more likely to be without a job, and their living costs are 25% higher. Fair? Okay, as I said earlier in the introduction lesson, we need to be thinking about what are we talking about, why are we talking about it, why is it important, and how do we want our audience to react. So for this paragraph, you need to use 2 or 3 De Forester techniques. You need to express your personal feelings about the topic. That will help to engage your audience straight away. And we want you to ask the audience to empathise with you, so to feel the same way that you do. My top 3 De Forester techniques that you could include in here are repetition of the personal pronoun I, emotive language, and repetition in general. So there are links to each of the videos on each topic. You can go back and watch them again and decide, think to yourself how they made you feel and what prompted you to choose this particular topic. That's going to be important in this section. Okay, some sentence stems. As I've said earlier, this is just the start. Use these as a starting point. You can, of course, improve on them, add to them, change them. So in this section here, it's going to be the name of the topic you've chosen. For example, racism. Racism is seriously wrong. Did you know that it affects more than? Put in some statistics. I think it's wrong because, put in your personal point of view. When I listen to, talk about the YouTube that you've watched. Even worse, people affected by this are, explain how people feel. You could dig deeper into the statistics that I've given you, go back to the links on the different lessons and have a look at the statistics there and see if you can pull out some more information to include. So what do you need to do now? Make sure that this paragraph has got your personal feelings in it. If you can, dig a bit deeper with the statistics and then use the sentence stems that I've given you as a starter for writing this paragraph. Next lesson is going to help you to write your second paragraph. Over to you.